Today's video is going to be slightly different than our other shoots because sometimes you're in a time crunch, life gets unpredictable and things just happen, right? And sometimes you just gotta do your makeup in the car. So buckle up and let's dive into my on-the-go makeup look. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. For starters, let's kick things off with the Lakme Makeup Primer. This product blurs out my imperfections and leaves me with a clean canvas to begin my makeup with. Now into the Lakme Foundation Stick. Let me tell you that these sticks are a game changer, especially when you're on the go. They're incredibly easy to use and blend seamlessly. Plus, they're compact enough to toss in your handbag whenever you need a touch-up. This range also features a blush and a highlighter stick, which I absolutely love for their versatility. I often use the blush stick on my eyes to give me a pop of color. And then obviously apply it to my cheeks as well. As for the highlighter, I'm just going to apply a little bit on the inner corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones for a subtle lift. Now for that added oomph, I'm gonna line my waterline with the Lakme Iconic Kajal. I'm feeling a little blue today, but they've got a whole range of colors that you can choose from. So you can switch it up whenever you feel like. Now let's give those lashes some love with the Lakme Lash Boost Mascara. This stuff works wonders because it gives me those long fluttery lashes and they're the perfect rival to falsies. It's brow time, but I'm probably gonna wait for the car to stop at a signal so I can take my time and tackle those brows. I'm reaching out for the Lakme Absolute 3D Brow Definer. I'm quickly just gonna fill in my brows and then just brush them out with a spoolie. And then I'm going to swipe on some color with the Lakme Beyond Matte Bullet Lipstick. This glides on effortlessly on my lips and is super long lasting. And there you have it, folks, my makeup on the go look, complete and ready to tackle the day. Thanks for hanging out with me in the car today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, stay fabulous. Bye.